Hey guys, it's Mark here. I know it's been a really long time. I've been busy with internship and so ta-da! An iPhone 11 unboxing video today. So let's get into it. Let's see. I'm not because this is a phone for my sister and I'm not gonna be doing a review for it. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more review everywhere and yeah, so let's get into it and let's get the plastic unwrap. Oops, just in case I drop my phone. Oh, this white, it's beautiful. I'm just being careful over chopping this. This is actually really beautiful. Seriously, I'm a fan of white. If you guys didn't know, I don't really use Android phone. I do as a secondary phone. But my main primary phone is actually an iPhone XS. So okay, let's just put this aside. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty. Let's see what's inside. You have the non-usual, basically the most usual stuff. Yeah, like the earphones, they don't provide the dongle again anymore, which is bad and sucks. And the normal charging power bricks and the lightning to USB cable. So yeah, and Apple stickers. Wait, then if I'm getting it in white, so it's gonna be in white. I hope they have different colors of it. So clean. It's huge. Ta-da-da. Wait, this side. Okay. Let's go to close-up photos. No, close-up videos.